These 3 book launch mistakes are quietly destroying your book's chances of getting sales, and they can completely block it from ever becoming a bestseller. And the third one might actually surprise you, because it's something a lot of authors are genuinely proud of. So make sure you stay until the end of this video if you want your books to actually rank and sell. Welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, I'm a self-published author, and I share information on how to make money online passively, mostly through self-publishing through Amazon KDP. I know you're eager to learn the 3 deadly book launch mistakes and how to fix them, so let's get started. Mistake number 1, not getting at least 10 reviews fast. This is the number 1 mistake that kills book launches. When your book goes live on Amazon and it remains there with 0 reviews, browsers scroll right past it. Amazon shoppers are trained to look at the star rating before they do anything else. No reviews means no social proof, and no social proof means no sales. And even running ads will not help at this point. If you run ads without having book reviews, you'll only burn through money. Very rarely will anyone buy. Also, Amazon's algorithm pays attention to what is happening with your book in the first few days and weeks after it goes live. If you are getting reviews quickly, that tells Amazon this book has momentum. And Amazon rewards momentum by pushing your book higher in the search results and into recommendation feeds, which means you'll get more and more sales. You want to aim for at least 10 reviews as fast as possible after your launch. So how do you get book reviews fast? The fastest way is using trusted book review platforms, and I highly recommend BookVillage and Gemsy. And no, this video is not sponsored, but for full transparency, yes, they have sponsored videos in the past. But they are the exact book review platforms I use for my books. I use both, but you don't need to use both. So which one should you choose? The first book review platform I ever used was Gemsy, and I have been using it safely for 1.5 years now. I love it because it lets you get reviews for many types of books, not only ebooks. You can get verified book reviews for no content, low content, and medium content books too. And soon, even for audiobooks. My other favorite book review platform is BookVillage, and this one I use mostly to get ebook reviews, and have been using it safely for over 6 months now. You can get ebook reviews on Gemsy too, but what I like about BookVillage is that it has a Chrome extension for extra KDP account safety, and you can build an ARC list of readers. That means a group of readers you like and trust for reviewing your books in the future. I created several videos about how to use BookVillage and how to use Gemsy, and you can find them in my Amazon KDP Journey playlist at the end of this video. Both platforms have safety protocols in place to keep your Amazon KDP account safe, and you can try them for free and get a significant discount using the links in the description. Mistake number 2, publishing the wrong book format first. This mistake applies to high-content books mostly, and this mistake trips up a lot of new authors because the instinct is to publish a paperback book first because they feel that print books are the realest type of book there is. Or even worse, they publish a hardcover book first, and both are the wrong choice to publish first. Here is why. When you publish a paperback or hardcover version of your book first, it will be more difficult to get book reviews and to get sales because of the following reasons. First, most book review platforms accept only ebooks, and even if you get reviews for the print versions of your book, those reviews tend to come in slower because printed versions of your book, like paperback or hardcover, are more expensive. Ebooks, on the other hand, are cheaper, widely accepted by book review platforms, and you can even promote them for free through Amazon KDP to get lots of book reviews fast. Also, they tend to become impulse buys, and readers don't have to wait for shipping, which also contributes to getting reviews faster. Because of this, ebooks are the best type of book format to publish first. It sells faster, gets you book reviews faster, which makes Amazon rank your book higher. The more sales you get, The more reviews you get, and the more your book will rank, therefore getting even more sales, giving your book traction, and increasing the chances of your book becoming a best-selling success. Now, mistake number 3. Like I said, it will surprise you, and you might even be proud of making this mistake. Mistake number 3 is publishing all book formats at the same time. Many authors are proud of all their hard work. They got the book ready in all formats: ebook, paperback, and hardcover. And very soon after, audiobook. It feels professional. It feels like you're doing everything right. So they decide to publish all at once. Big mistake. Why? Because you are splitting your launch sales across every single format at the same time. So instead of all your launch momentum being focused on one listing and making Amazon see that this book is taking off, your sales get divided up. Maybe 60 people buy the ebook, 20 buy the paperback, and 15 buy the hardcover. Amazon doesn't see one book. It sees 3 separate listings, each with modest numbers instead of one listing with explosive numbers. That's because each book format has its own ASIN number, which is the listing identifier. So Amazon doesn't boost or rank any of them. Sales velocity is one of the biggest signals Amazon uses to rank books. A concentrated burst of sales on one listing is what triggers the algorithm to take your book seriously and start showing it to more people. When the sales get spread across multiple formats, you weaken that sales velocity signal for every format. And there is another layer to this problem of launching formats at the same time. Amazon gives every new release a visibility boost inside the new release category. Amazon loves new books and gives them an extra boost of visibility every time you publish to tell if they will sell well or not. It's like a golden launch window of opportunity that you'll never get again. If you launch all your formats at once, you burn through all of these boosts at the same time. But if you stagger the launch of each book format, you get a fresh new release window each time. That means more visibility for your book over a longer period, which means more chances for new readers to discover you. So in which order and how far apart should you publish each version of your book? The right order is ebook first, then paperback, then audiobook, and finally hardcover. The reason I put hardcover last is simple. It is the most expensive format, and by the time you release it, you have already covered every type of reader. Digital readers have the ebook, print readers have the paperback, and audio listeners have the audiobook. Hardcover is not a discovery format. It is a luxury option for the readers who already love your book and want a premium copy of it. Space out the launch of each format by at least a few weeks if you can. I personally recommend 4 weeks in between book formats. Each one is a new launch event. Each get a new boost from Amazon, and it's a great chance for sending new emails to your list or to post on social media to promote your book. If you avoid these 3 mistakes, you are already ahead of the majority of self-published authors on the platform. For more book launch strategies, please check out this video and download the free book launch steps PDF I have placed in the description. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I read every single one. If this was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe because I post new videos covering everything you need to know about self-publishing and other methods of making real passive income so that you can have time to enjoy your family. And don't forget to check out my Amazon KDP playlist next.